Welcome to the Law and Economics Center at George Mason University School of Law. The LEC is a national center for research and education that focuses on the timely and relevant economic analysis of legal and public policy issues. I'm delighted to lead a new chapter here at the LEC. My team and I have joined the LEC to implement a new strategy and new programs. The LEC produces top quality research and then distributes that research through a sophisticated communication strategy that includes educational programs for judges, attorneys general, and other policymakers. As an integral part of George Mason University School of Law, the Law and Economics Center relies on the law school's renowned group of law and economics scholars as well as other prominent experts for research, teaching, and outreach activities. The LEC is a vertically integrated academic think tank that operates through 4 separate program areas. The Searle Civil Justice Institute is a public policy institute devoted to producing timely, analytically rigorous, and balanced research on important civil justice issues confronting our free enterprise system. The Henry G. Manny Program on Law and Economic Studies promotes law and economics scholarship through faculty research, roundtables, and conferences. The George Mason Judicial Education Program is the nation's preeminent provider of high-quality, balanced judicial education programs that focus on economics, accounting, finance, statistics, and scientific method. And the George Mason Attorneys General Education Program offers courses on economics and public policy analysis to state attorneys general and their senior staff. In addition to these education and outreach activities, we utilize a cutting-edge online multimedia communication strategy as well as traditional means such as policy briefings, interaction with state legislative organizations, trade associations, and other interested parties to ensure that the LEC's research is made available to key decision makers in a timely and useful manner. As I mentioned earlier, we've brought a new leadership team to the Law and Economics Center. We've come here from Northwestern University School of Law, where we previously managed the Searle Center on Law, Regulation, and Economic Growth. Our leadership team includes 3 individuals who joined us from Northwestern University School of Law. Paige Butler is our Director of Education and Outreach, Linda Kelly is our Director of the Attorneys General Education Program, and Jeffrey Lysett is Director of the Searle Civil Justice Institute. George Mason University School of Law is the ideal law school to host the Law and Economics Center and its activities. First, the George Mason University School of Law has a renowned group of law and economics scholars who are ready, willing, and able to participate in the LEC's research, teaching, and outreach activities. Second, George Mason University has a justifiably famous economics department which includes Nobel laureate James Buchanan and numerous scholars interested in public policy analysis. Third, George Mason Law School is located directly across the Potomac from Washington, D.C. This ensures that we can effectively communicate with our nation's policymakers and opinion leaders. The LEC is a nonpartisan academic think tank. We depend on contributions from individuals, foundations, and corporations to fund our operation. We look forward to this new chapter of the Law and Economics Center and invite you to learn more about our new team, our new strategy, and new programs by visiting our website at masonlec.org.
It's my sincere pleasure to welcome Henry Butler home to George Mason University School of Law. Henry has dedicated much of his career to improving our civil justice system through the education of judges, through his teaching and research, and we're looking forward to great things from him and from his team here at George Mason. The Law and Economics Center is, of course, a perfect fit for the George Mason University School of Law. This law school anchors the Arlington campus of Virginia's largest university. We have 750 students in full and part-time study drawn from 41 states, the District of Columbia, and 11 foreign countries. Over the past generation, the George Mason University School of Law has become a national powerhouse of law and economics education. We have close ties with the Mercatus Center and with the university's deservedly famous Department of Economics. As Henry mentioned, we boast one of the country's strongest groups of law and economics scholars. Having Henry and his team at the helm of the Law and Economics Center will only serve to intensify our fundamental institutional commitment to clarifying the role of markets and incentives in promoting the welfare of individuals and communities. We expect great things from the Law and Economics Center as we embark on our mission of rethinking the think tank. Please take the time and check out our new programs by visiting masonlec.org.